What's up, y'all? I'm here with two-time NBA All-Star, Defensive Player of the Year, and a man that just makes his presence known every time he hits the court, Jaren Jackson Jr.
Yes,
what's going on? So 8 seasons in, new contract, new number. Tell us about your mindset right now.
The number 8 is a number I wore in McDonald's All-American game. And it's a number that my dad has worn before. It's a number we've both shared. It just felt right. It felt like the energy source of what I was playing with was coming from a different place. I felt like when I was 13, it was more about going against the grain and proving everybody wrong. But now it just comes from a different place, and I felt like I wanted something to represent that, and I wanted to honor my father as well.
You also play a huge role in the Memphis community, and I'm curious how that inspires your work off the court.
A lot of the work I do kind of came from my parents and the work that they did. I've been in Memphis I'm going to year 8. I've been there for a while. I've lived there longer than any place I've ever lived in my life. I love working with kids. I love working with girls. I love working with mothers. I mean, we've done a great job over the years, me and my whole team and everybody. And I think we've made a great deal of change.
Now, before we get into your current training, let's rewind a little bit and take a look back at some of your best moments.
I feel like that was such a lifetime ago, but now it's all different. I feel like I have a different game, a different mindset, attitude, different force, but I mean, that guy's still pretty good.
So off season, on season, getting back into movement, what you do when you're on the off season, what you do when you're ramping back up.
You know, I definitely unplug a little, make sure my mind is rejuvenating, but staying in shape is huge. So you don't have to ramp back up and get into some crazy shape, and getting out of shape, yeah, it's the worst. So any form of like stretching, getting that hot box, ride the bike, getting that hot box and stretch.
So speaking of cross training, I heard you're loving our new Peloton cross training series.
I mean, it just helps me get my work done quicker. I think I can get cardio done, I can get strength done. It's something that's personalized for me, so it really just helps me get into that mode.
For a person who's as busy as you are, flying all over the place, playing games, trying to stay healthy, I'm sure it's like an added plus, right, to have that access. So I put together, you already ready to go. Perfect. I put together a little cross-training session for you.
I'm down, I'm with it.
All right, so I thought we'd start off with a nice little warm-up. So we're gonna do a little walking here before we transition into strength. How do you feel about that?
I love it, let's get to it.
So how does music drive your workouts?
It's a huge part because it's basically the soundtrack to what you're doing. When it sounds good, you just get lost easier and the workout's more fun.
What I love about these speakers is just the clear sound, the deep bass, and it just, I mean, right now it feels like we're in the studio. All right, so let's bring this tread to a complete stop. So I want you to hit 0. We're gonna transition to the strength section. I'm gonna swivel this for you.
I got you.
Okay.
Let me show you what I do at the crib. Boom, perfect.
All right, so we said we were gonna do some strength. How do you feel about a custom workout?
That's what we said, I'm with it.
Counting in French? We counting in French or we counting in English?
We're counting in something.
Oh, you see how it's tracking you?
Yeah, I like how it's tracking me. I need this. If you're not here, then this thing's still gonna hold me accountable. It's gonna give me the form, but you can't cheat no reps.
The trainer's still with you in the room even though I'm not here.
I know. I don't know why I'm doing this by myself too.
All right. I'll grab me some weight.
You killed that. Come on. Thank you.
It's a pleasure, y'all. Thank you for joining us for this fun workout. We'll see you next time. Is that cut?
Yeah, that's a cut.
That's a cut.